Hey, how's everybody doing today? Today we are opening up a box of 2020 Topps Archives. I am so excited, so pumped to open up this box of cards. I've been waiting patiently for this to come out. Finally came out. Boxes came in the mail yesterday. Can't wait to rip into them. The set's awesome. I've seen somebody open it. The cards look awesome. It's a nice set. It's got lots of inserts. It is just a really, really cool set this year. I'm so glad it came out with it. I'll give you a little background about the set. It features the 1955, 1974, and 2002 Topps sets. All very cool cards, all very cool years. They did it right this year. I mean, the cards look amazing. You get 8 cards per pack, 24 packs in a box. The set is numbered 1 through 300. Then you have 301 through 315, I'm sorry, which is your nickname poster card set. And then cards, was it 316 through 325 are your Topps traded sets. They look just like the 1974 Topps traded baseball set. Card's sweet. We gotta rip this thing up and see what we got here. Man, I can't wait. This set. I saw another guy open it. I was just sitting there just blown away by what I saw. And what do we have here? We have, I think these are called movie posters. Or actually, right here. Hold on. Mini posters, box topper. So this one we are opening up. We have Shohei or Showtime, starring Shohei Ohtani. It's pretty cool. Not bad at all. Roughly, that's about what, 8 by 10, roughly. Yeah, something different, something new. You don't see in anything that you open right now. So let's give you guys kind of back up there a little bit for you so you can see it. That's the first thing that we're pulling out of this. Put that up here. All right, let's get these packs out. Let's rip them. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Alright, everybody's ready. So here we go. Pack number 1. Let's see what we got. Alright. First card. Paul Molitor on the 74 design. Mauricio Dubon, rookie. Andre Dawson on the 2002 base card design. Tim Hudson. Brandon Woodruff. Then we have these are called, I'm pretty sure it's called a combo card. Give me 1 minute, I'll tell you. Have this, yep, here we go. It's called the combo cards. So here we got Bichette and Guerrero Jr. And then here's to our 55s, Paul Goldschmidt and Matt Chapman. All right. Pack number 2. And I'm sorry, guys. I really am excited about this set and this box. Been waiting for it to come in, and just can't wait to see what we get. All right, Justin Dunn, rookie. John Smoltz. Vlad Guerrero Sr. Noah Syndergaard. Brad Keller. And these are our 1960 All-Star, right? 1960 All-Star, yep, rookies. So we got Willie Adames. And then we got Jeff McNeil. Oops, sorry about that. And Kyle Schwarber. Same thing as before, too. You get the 2 on-card autos. So here we got Daniel Vogelbach, Mike Moustakas, Andrew Benintendi, Kenley Jansen. Then we have a mini. That's kind of neat. Kenta Maeda. Let me see anything special as far as numbers, thing like that. Must be like a 55 mini card. Pretty cool. And then this must be our Topps traded version. Yep, Phillies land 20-game winner. Sorry about that. Focusing. Joey Votto. And Juan Soto. Love that card. I saw someone else open this, and I was like, oh, that's awesome. Alright, here we go. Luis Robert. Alright, wants his card. Here's his rookie. Mo Vaughn. Jose Urquidy. Willie Mays. Jorge Alfaro. And here's our there's a special hold on, sorry about that. I'm just see what it's called, 1955 Bowman Archives set. And we got Bichette. And then we got Mookie and Kyle Lewis. That's a good card. This kid's been on fire. Hey, corner's messed up. All right, Mike Clevenger, Trevor Story, Dansby Swanson, Miggy, Yu Darvish, Mr. Smile, Francisco Lindor, another insert. Again, this thing's loaded with inserts. I think more inserts I've seen in past archive sets, but it's a nice set. I mean, I can't say enough good things about it. Rhino and Yaz. All right, Nelson Cruz, Emma, Dave Winfield, Judge, Verlander, Strasburg. This been on the injured list. Out rest of the year with carpal tunnel syndrome. Sorry about that, guys. All right, another 55 Bowman insert. Yamamoto. And we got Catfish Hunter. Yeah, I'm sorry about this, guys. This thing's not focusing right. There he goes. And another Yamamoto. Two in the same pack. Different cards. All right. Sandy Alcantara. Ted Williams. Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. Look at that. Manny Machado. Ryan Howard. Carlton Fisk. No more combo cards. Hoskins and Harper. Oh, so I love that card. He likes both those guys. And we have Xander Bogaerts and Ozzie Albies. I'm curious to see what everybody else thinks about how they're liking the set this year, the design, all that good stuff. The inserts. And we got the Iron Man. So we get him in focus here. Cal Ripken Jr. Ty Cobb. Barry Larkin. Ryan Braun. Rafael Devers. Pete Alonso. And then we got Max Muncy and Malik Smith. Alright, next pack. Willie McCovey. Hyunjin Ryu. Hope I pronounced that right. Corey Kluber. Johnny Cueto. Randy Arozarena. Yep. Alright, we got Bags. Jeff Bagwell. Nick Senzel. Matt Carpenter. Alright, Gleyber Torres. Tony Gonsolin. Gonsolin. Clayton Kershaw. Michael Conforto. Looks like we got something coming up. We got Eckersley. And we're going to put whatever card this is behind there. Alright, JD Martinez. Jake Fraley. And we got a hit. Chrome. Colored. 2020 design. And we have Matt Olson. I'm going to assume this is probably numbered, which it is. It is numbered. It's like 63 out of 75. Kind of rough, you can see it right there. Alright. That's a cool hit. Let's keep going here. We have Mike Piazza, Frank Robinson, Randy Johnson, the Diamondbacks, Rod Carew, Roger Clemens. I got something else here. Put that in back just in case. Still don't know really the insert, so I don't want to make it more of a surprise. Dylan Cease, Tim Lincecum. Back of Clemens, we have some kind of, oh, okay. Harry Jordan Alvarez. This is like the other one, Mr. Smile. Okay, all right, my bad. So it's cool. Let's keep ripping. Zach Gallen, Giancarlo Stanton, Brendan McKay, Freddie Freeman, Joe Morgan. Now I think we got an auto. Yep, I can see for auto. It's like on a 90, the 90 design set. Alkaline, George Kell. All right, got Morgan in the front, and we have from the Padres. Oh, Benito Santiago. That's a blast from the past. Pretty cool. Yeah. Moses Bones with the Padres. I know he played 1 year for my Phils. Actually, yeah, he bounced around the Giants, Royals, Pirates, Blue Jays, Cubs, Reds, Marlins. But yeah, he made his bones with the Padres. So there you go. There's our first auto. Benito Santiago. All right, halfway through the box. Let's keep going. All right. George Springer, Javi Baez, Alan Trammell, Whitey Ford. That's a cool card. Frank Thomas. Here's one of our combo cards. Alvarez and Altuve. George Brett. Shane Bieber. The kid's having a good year so far. Shane, don't call me Justin Bieber. All right, Jesus Luzardo, Tom Seaver, A-Rod, Andres Munoz, John Means, Tatis Jr. Talking about having a good year, man. This kid's on fire. Day one, too. Marcus, oop, let me get some view here. Come on. Marcus Semien, Jose Barrios. Alright, here he is, Mr. Padre himself, Tony Gwynn, Bob Gibson, Lou Brock, big names, Andrew Jones, Pedro Martinez, Miggy Moves the Motown, Corey Seager, and the Babe. Ha, that card's nice. That card is so nice. Look at that. Man, I told you guys how much I like this set yet? Just in case I haven't, I love it. I absolutely love it. I have another box, which I'll be opening tomorrow. You can see, that way you can all see that video also. All right, Nick Solak, Adbert Alzolay, rookie. Crime Dog, Fred McGriff. Ichiro. Juan Marichal. So we got another possible auto. Nope, I think it's going to be colored insert. Yep, it is. And what can I say? I think it's Bagwell, right? It's just so hard to see in the front. Yep, Jeff Bagwell. Insert, 74 design, purple, numbered 105 to 175. That's a cool card. For all you Bagwell guys, collectors. Willie Castro and Will Clark. All right, here we go. Larry Walker. Bo Jackson. Bo knows. Billy Williams. Chris Bryant. Austin Meadows. Duke of Flatbush. Duke Snyder. No more. Garcia Parra. And Ryan Express. Nolan Ryan. All right. Josh Hader. Josh Bell. Yeah, Josh and Josh. And Jolton Simmons. Michael Chavis. Wilson Contreras. Sorry. Oh! Sorry. I made it a little bit more suspenseful. Second auto, Reggie Sanders. Very nice card. There's our second auto. I think with the archives, I mean, there are some decent autograph pulls you can make, but for the most part, it's nothing crazy, but they're still cool. And it's still fun. Goose Gossage and Isan Diaz. Yeah, this is more about ripping. Who cares about the pulls? It's just fun. Especially when you go to the store now and you can't find any cards to even buy. Alright, Brooks Robinson. Christian Walker. Rougned Odor. Aaron Nola from the Phils. Bryce Harper from the Phils. And we have our Just Dingers, Smith and Muncy. And then we have, oh nice, Gary Carter, that's a cool card. And Michael Brantley. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. We're in the home stretch. Alright, Danny Jansen. Trey Mancini. Kyle Seager. Ronald Acuna Jr. Cole Calhoun. Oh, another Soto. Yeah, PC Soto. That's nice. I like that card. Alright. Lucas Giolito and Gary Sanchez. I always PC'd Ozzie Smith. PC'd him for years. I still PC him. I was like, you know what? I got to PC someone more current. So, you know what? One sort of feel like he's got a lot of upside. The kid's going to be really good. And this past year I started collecting him, and he's got a lot of nice cards out there. He really does. Buster Posey. Chris Davis. Tatis Jr. on a 74 design. That's nice. Look at that. Whew. Carter Kieboom. Anthony K. CC Sabathia. Alright. Kenta Maeda. Joey Gallo. Always like the 74 set. I always collected 80s and 90s and early, and later like 2000s. But so I need to build my first vintage set. So the first one I built was finished about a year or two ago, was a 74 set, and it's still not a completed vintage set. But and I really, got a soft spot for this set because it's the first one I actually finished that I actually built. Eduardo Escobar, Bobby Bradley, Anthony Rendon, Chipper Jones. Ralph Kiner. That's a nice looking card too. Like an old school baseball player on a new school, newer style card. Okay, here comes our the rookies insert set. Let's see, these are so nice. Look at that 80s, 80s insert rookie or all-star, and was it all-star and might have been rookies. There's two different variations or two different sets they had throughout the 80s with this card design, and now they brought it back for the archives. And here we got Dustin May rookie, really nice. Jeter, the captain, that's cool. Jack Flaherty. All right, 2 more to go. Yeah, I can't remember, it's the All-Star card, and there's one more. I got a bunch of them in a box in my baseball card room, but yeah, they're always fun to collect when you get them in your the hanger packs, and you pull that glossy All-Star insert card out. It was always fun. All right, Sheldon Neuse. Yeah. Jeff Bagwell. Willie Stargell. Cody Bellinger. Elvis Andrews. Big Papi. And Aaron Savale. And Gavin Lux rookie. That's nice. Alright, last pack. Hope you guys are enjoying this just video. I'm having a lot of fun right now. I really am. In case you guys couldn't tell. Alright, last pack. Anthony Rizzo. Rhys Hoskins. That's a nice looking card. Can't tell I'm a Phillies fan. Yuli Gurriel. Jonathan Villar. Starling Marte. One of our 55 Bowmans. And Jordan Alvarez. Another Philly, Steve Carlton. And the Sandman, Mariano Rivera. Nice way to end this box. So, hope you guys liked that. Hope you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did. A little recap. We pulled Benito Santiago auto and Reggie Sanders auto. 2 really nice looking cards. Yeah, it was a good box. So, if you can, please subscribe to my channel, like my video. Feel free to leave comments. Obviously, please keep it clean. But hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did, and I will see you soon when I open up box number 2. See ya.